Snowy owl. The snowy owl, also known as the polar owl, the white owl, and the Arctic owl, is a large, white owl of the true owl family. Snowy owls are native to the Arctic regions of both North America and the Palearctic, breeding mostly on the tundra. Feeding behavior. Often hunts by day. Usually hunts by watching for prey from a perch, then pursuing it in swift flight and catching prey in talons. Sometimes seeks prey by flying low, or by hovering and watching ground. May locate prey by sight or sound. Eggs. 3 to 11. Clutch size quite variable, with more eggs lay in years when prey is abundant. Eggs whitish, becoming nest stained. Incubation is by female only, 31 to 33 days, male brings food to incubating female. Eggs hatch at intervals, so that female will be caring for first young while still incubating last eggs. Young, female remains with young, male brings food, female takes it and feeds them. Young may leave nest after 2 to 3 weeks, but not able to fly well until about 7 weeks, fed by parents up to at least 9 to 10 weeks. Diet. Varied, includes lemmings, plus other mammals and birds. In Arctic, may feed almost exclusively on lemmings when these are available. Otherwise, feeds on wide variety of prey. Takes mammals including rabbits, hares, voles, ground squirrels. In coastal areas may feed heavily on birds, including ducks, geese, grebes, merlets, and sometimes songbirds. Also may eat fish, carrion. Nesting. In many regions of Arctic, may breed mainly in years when lemmings are abundant, failing to nest at all when lemmings are scarce. Male owl defends territory with deep hooting in early spring. In courtship, male flies with deep, slow wing beats, often carrying a lemming in his bill, landing near female. He leans forward, partly raising wings. Thanks for watching.